Hi everyone! I'm Glenny, founder of Dream Luxury Cebu, and I'm making this video today just to share with you the little feeling of excitement that came earlier this week. And I want to do like an unboxing video, kind of, so you can see and I can show you how the bag is worn and how it can be carried and etc. So excited. Okay, so as you can see, it's a orange box. There you go. It's quite big actually for the bag. I don't know why. Oops. Here it is. Tan da da da. Dapat may background music. That smell of like brand new bag from the store. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a medicine for the medicine for you know, house quarantine. There it is. Ta-da! Guys, I am so sorry for my light. It's really not a very good light here in the room right now, but this is the best I can do. It's Louis Vuitton Montaigne BB size, and this is the brand new. I don't know if it's the latest. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's the latest collection, but the braided one. I can show you. There you go. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. The light is so bad. So this bag comes with this. It's like a tag. Oh, I don't know what this is called, but you can see it's like this. You can just take it out. You can take it out because it has this one if you don't want. And then here's the strap. So I really have to Google it. I'm sorry, I don't know, but this leather doesn't look like vachetta for me because it's not like the vachetta color. It's like almost white. So my hand's a little bit sticky right now, and it doesn't make any like marks. So here's the strap. I don't know if you can see it. It's blur. Can you see? It's blur. But anyway, there. And oh, I put my calling card in there. Guys, please visit my store. My website, I will www.luxurybagscebu.com. Oh my god, I don't know. Ito na epekto ng quarantine sa akin. I'm sorry, I started to feel sick. And here's my calling card. Also, please visit my online store. It's Dream Luxury Cebu, Facebook page Dream Luxury Cebu, and then my website. And you can just Google my website. It will show you the map and navigation, or you can do it in ways so it's easier for you to find, since I have a lot of inbox in my Instagram account and in the Viber and Facebook page messages asking how to get there. It's really a bit tricky, guys, but the ways can really help you. So it comes with this one, gift receipt. And I don't know, there we go. And this little pouch here. Let me open the key. Ta-da! I actually put already the lock inside. I don't know if you can see, but right there. So as you can see, it has like 3 compartments, because in this side, the other side, and then the middle one that has the zipper. Something that's quite important you want to put there if you need that extra security. So that's the one of the pro and the con. The pro is, you know, you can use this for like extra security kind of things that you need to put inside your bag. And the con is it doesn't really close all the way. I mean, you have this closure here, as you can see, this one, but like for security purposes, you know, that's it. So it's the BB size, and people think it's quite small, but for me, I think it's really just like the perfect size. It looks, see, I'm even big. I'm a big, you know, big size. But it looks quite perfect. Yung size niya, hindi siya masyadong malaki. So I'm showing you again the inside of the bag. The interior is black, and it says here made in Spain. And this is also this compartment here, where the one that says made in Spain, this area, this is a compartment here, and this is where you can find the date code, which is right here. But it's so hard to be shown in the video, but you can see there's like a white one. Yan, that's the date code. So I will show you the strap. You can see how it can be worn. I really love the size of this bag. I think it's just really perfect. It's not big, it's not bulky, also it's not very like micro like the Celine Nano is. It's like really just small for me, but this size, it's perfect. It's BB, it's mini, but you can fit a lot of things inside. So I already closed the you see, and then this is the strap. You can wear it like this. Hold on, let me get the box. So you can wear it like this, or crossbody. So there we go. That's it, guys. I hope you appreciate the video. It's not really the best video so far, but I'm just really so excited to share with you. This week something happened that it arrived. I actually didn't expect that it will arrive, because all of the, you know, situation that's happening in the world right now. The LBC, the couriers are really like having a hard time, or I think even close. So I was really surprised na dumating pa siya. So I am so excited to share this video. Thank you. Bye, guys. Please visit my website, my Instagram page, and my Facebook page, Dream Luxury Cebu, and www.luxurybagscebu.com. Bye. Have a good day. Be safe.